Hi everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get tight diagonal clove hitch knots. It's my absolute favorite knot to work with, and I have a lot of DIY patterns available and plan to write a new one for this piece in the next day or two. And so I thought that today would be a great day to show you guys how to get them nice and tightly knotted together. And the reason you want to do this with my patterns at least is to create strong structure and very clean lines. And so this is something I see students struggle with in class, and so I thought that it would be great to share with you guys today. So let's get started. So here's a sample, and I've tied three rows of knots here. And the way I explain it in a class is you're going to have your filler cord, and you're going to hold it in the direction that you want the knots to travel in. So in this case, we want it to go at a right downward angle. Then we have all of our working cords, and each working cord is going to be wrapped around counterclockwise 2 times before we move on to the next cord. And so you want to hold this filler cord in this direction. And it might help if you always hold it in your right hand to start. And you don't want it to go around as you're pulling it. You don't want to pull it in any other direction. And that's why I say it might be helpful if you hold it in this hand. So we're going to hold it this way. Then you're going to grab your first working cord, and it's going to go around counterclockwise like so, and then pulled through. And you're going to do that 2 times before you move on to your next cord. So the way that I see students struggle is like they will hold it down in this direction, and so the knot ends up creating, you'll end up having a gap in between your 2 rows. And so my cheater trick is if you, it completely contradicts everything I just said, but you are going to hold this in that direction as you're wrapping it around. You're going to pull the working cord from the back, and also your filler cord is going to go up slightly and then back down. And so that allows it to get super tight and to get up against this higher row of knots. So that is my little move to make sure it just allows it to get close up any negative space and sit nicely. So I pull from the back, and this slightly goes up and then back down. So please share with a friend. Maybe you know that they're struggling with this knot, or they might want to know how to do this knot nicely. They may not have attempted it yet, but this might be a helpful video for them. Please share it with them, and please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be sharing more tips and tricks here, and then you can also check out patterns and supplies at reformfibers.etsy.com. Thank you for watching.